Lebitso la ka ke Lebogang Khwale from Soshanguve. Ke ngoletse tseleng because ke batla go itse ka my future. Ke feel okare I'm stagnant, like nothing is moving. Ne ke batla go itse gore mama ka le papa ka gore ba kgaogane, was it the will of God or ke batho na? Another thing ke batlang go itse ke gore ausa ka tlhokofetseng, like is she resting in peace or go iragalang, cause ke phela ke molora in a funny way. Ke lora ausa ka like a tlhokofala hape mo pelaka gore a tlhokofale nana le bolwetse ba pelo ba mo operateile, then ya se be successful. Ha ke kopana le ausina lady, I'm hoping gore I'm fatlholle ke kgone go itse gore what's going on ka bophelo baka go tlo ba sharp go pelo ore.
Why am I picking up an energy of an Indian or Muslim guy around wena? None that you know of. Kanomnyo yazi noba uyakufuna. Because I feel in a bad light. Elondivulele ke iBhayibhile. Uzovula kayi-1 randomly ukhombe but awuzofunda. So uzokhomba randomly. Come back anyway. I am taken back to your high school days. I think I say around age 15, 16. Kind of trauma. Or can you get the traumatic experience you're carrying from that particular point in time?
Ke nagana gore ke ya nako ausa ka alwala. Ne ke na le 16.
No, not 16. And then your sister passed away. I hope you find healing because that particular incident is coming on very strong in your energy. And usukela ngoko, as I explained, kuba nokubona boniswa the actual school and then you coming out of the school. So like energy, you're still carrying it. The pain and the weight of it all. So I just want to get to ilizwe. I've been funa nje ukhupha leyo into. So siku Daniel chapter 11. Phansi ke komqolo othi the kings of the south and the north, and you pointed to verse 7. Ngizawufunda ke ndiyeke apha ilizwi lakho lidibana khona. And it reads as follows. One from her family line will arise to take her place. He will attack the forces of the king of the north and enter his fortress. He will fight against them and be victorious. One from her family line. Ndifuna ubuyela back to the loss okanye the passing of your sister, and then connect to your parents, and then connect then to this male from your family line who is attacking okanye othatha izinto zakho. Give and get the sense yomntana who loses close family members still young, and then family members as a figure and they take everything and you are left with nothing. Because that's what's happening in family yakho. Particularly an uncle. Shega wedwa when immediate family.
Ring 2.
The other one younger than you. So if they take from you, they basically have an ability to take everything. Is the uncle physical or has it been physical?
Uncle.
Which one? Like the person who's sort of destroying or who's bullying.
Na motho ke feelang hore ke bully ke papa.
So that's the he. But anina bond
Re ne re le sharp until a divorce mama ka.
It's about to get messy and funotonga. And uvile ke nakuwe in your verse ukuthi ukulwa is the king of the north attacking the king of the south. So Abazali, the one from her family line will arise to take her place, which is, as you have said, Ngutadako will destroy Ainjagani. And once he completely destroys Umama Wako, that means he has also destroyed you. And you sometimes wish that if only a big sister Wako was around, maybe things would be easier. Or if she was around, she would be able to handle your father a bit.
I feel like everything in it and to go in Italy because
it is normal that you go through depression. Akukho izinto ezintsha that are happening.
Okay, monna wa hao.
Ukhona uyaphila, mara uhlala nomnye umfazi.
Gona le ntwe nngwe e wena o tsamang le yona, e wena o seng aware. Batho ba tla re ke ntwe e bitsiwang tokoloshi.
I'm sure you wanted to hear Indaba Ezimandi, of which I can't do. There's nothing positive right now. What is happening between Abazali Bako? It says I'll for some time, to a point that now you feel like you've been defeated. As much as little brother maybe won't understand much now, but because of he will take up in arms and fight with Dadawako. That is when he will retreat and take the fight to his fortress. So izinto zizabuya ziphinde zimbethe. And that's going to be ayikho into obufuna uyibuza mhlawumbe you needed clarity on.
Ke struggle ka MDD, major depressive disorder.
So I think it's also normal to go through that because number one, the trauma that I picked up, the pain from high school, the energy you've been carrying since then till now. So the trauma of losing your sister, feeling like you lost a part of you, I can only imagine. Because surely your big sister Wako would have been your shoulder to cry on, your confidant. Then now added on to that, kuko this problem. So basically living in a war at home when you are used to peace. So it is normal that you go through depression. That are happening. But the best thing that you can do is seek proper medical help.
No medication.
For how long?
Since March.
Oh, so it's still new. It's still very new. And with that said, like I can't bulldoze go. I'm really struggling. Ungena go like proper as I would wish. And that's because you are in constant deep thoughts and affected like your mind is constantly active. So that's all I can say. It is more of a mental thing than spiritual. It is more of accepting and hopefully you'll be strong enough to just and not let it add on to your depression and letting it destroy you even further.
Childhood trauma yaga ke nakwa usaga alwala. Ne stressa too much. Like next I couldn't concentrate ko skolong salaka fail le matric because of my sister was sick. Papa ka one person he's like yana ahona anything wrong I bolelang, like he's always right. I feel like he's a bully. Since ba divorced ntluki ya mama ka, so ene mama ka o thola abona koloi e feta like bushiu, like o karwa o kare koloi ya security. So now he's not over the house. And then nagi feel another thing hore go sharp ho le ka mkho ho leng ka teng no. It's much peaceful as staying mo bophelong ba rona.
Igama lam ndinguvuyokazi Gabiso, ekhaya kuseMonti eDuncan Village, Kosi. Ndibhalele iTsilengi ngoba ndifuna i-direction ngempilo yam. Akho ndihamba kakuhle. Okokuqala wavela nje umtshato wam, waphela esithubeni ngendlela endingayaziyo, waphela umsebenzi nezinto ebendinazo, kwavela nje kwatshabalala yonke into, ndasala nje mna nabantwana bam. Into endiyilindeleyo mhlawumbi angandixelela ukuthi ukuzibe kanti impilo yam iyatshintsha, kungafanele ukuba ndenze ntoni njani. Impilo yam imile, konke endikuzamayo akuzameki, kuthi xa ngathi kuyenzeka kuvele kuphelele esithubeni. So ndifuna ukwazi into yobana kutheni le nto kuzawuba nje, ndibe mna ndizama.
Mama, gona le sephiri, a secret e le hore o ikhipile mo go wena ntho e etsahetseng o santse o lo monyane, ene wa decide gore o ska bolella motho ka yona. Wa itse ba ntho ke buang ka yona mama?
Ngiyayazi, but eventually ngakhuluma ngayo recently. I think it was last week for the first time.
Ke a thaba hore o thomile ho bua ka yona ka baka la hore no feel o ka re batho ba ka se o tshepe, and ke o bona you affecta hape le mo tabeng tsa di-relationship. He ko bona ke kra o tsamaya le meriti e mengata ya batho ba bontate, and ba bang bontate ba ke batho ba ile hore ke badimo ba tshwantse ba ho protect, ba bang ke batho ba ile hore ho setse moriti ya bona he ba wentse ntho tse seng hantle. O kae monna wa hao?
Wangishiya 5 years ago. Ukhona uyaphila, mara uhlala nomunye umfazi.
Okay. Hore a ska ba le wena, it is because gona le ntho engwe e wena o tsamang le yona, e wena o seng aware. And ntho o tsamang le yona o seng aware etsa hore o ska rata ke batho, o batho ba o tshepise ntho tse ntle he ba fetsa ba ska etsa selo. This thing ke bona ele moya o ile hore o thomile o santse o le the age 9. Batho ba tla re ke ntho e bitsiwang tokoloshi, and so e o fa sefifi seo. O motho ile gore o tlaile o lora dilo, but ntho tse no di lora a se dilo tse right, a se dilo tsa lefatshe la kamo. Moya wa ha wa berekisiwa o berekisiwa ku mmusong wa lefifi.
Manigi kene, but sometimes I'll be dreaming ngiphansi kwamanzi, ngibona something ezingajwayelekile. Like I'll see inkomo, but it's not actually inkomo. Then I'll see something covered with snails. Sometimes ezonto they are protecting me, and sometimes they are not.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll dream of a very big snake underwater, and then the snake will just swallow me and go around the water. All those kinds of dreams.
Even so kare nako ngwe ke mo ke neo ya batho bana le neo ya go alafa, but it turn up very quickly and it becomes something else. Mo lore motho a ka re ke lorile ong attacker mo spiriting re motho wa sebedisiwa ba o berekisa ka mokgosa lokang, and you are a transporter of witchcraft wena o sa itse gore o transporter of witchcraft. Mo tabeng ya lenyalo a watswa hantle ka leshira, a watswa hantle o blessitswe. That is why ba o nkela tšhelete mo matsogong, o ba le ntho e re bitsang spirit of poverty. Hona le koko koko wa ga o atlang o tla a re wena o timetse when koko o a tsamaya mo bophelong ba hao, because ke ena the only person no feel ka re o ira sense mo bophelong ba hao. And koko o ha tra go bolella go sedimong gore thusa ngwana ntho e tlhahang e re ngwana o na le go kae ka baka la re ngwana o bontsha ka re o inyadisitse le gore o tswe ka mohae. ka mo familying ya heno a wa tswa hantle ka leshira a wa tswa hantle o blessitswe mo tabeng ya lenyalo and now badimo ba o goga mo le moteng. That is why ba onkela tšhelete mo matsogong o ba le ntwe e re bitsang spirit of poverty. So ke eng ntwe e tseng gore o tsamaye ko hae mo le re badimo ba bona ka re o inyadisitse?
When I got married, I just told my aunt, ukuthi I'm getting married, and then she didn't approve. Then I just we went to Home Affairs, we got married, then without any blessings from family members. And then they said, after I got married, say, okay, go stay with your husband. We as family, asifuni next yokwenza nawe and your marriage.
Yes. And so koko mo ale moteng a batla go buella badimo ba re ha a ilo itlhalosa hantle. Okay mama.
My mother left us, I was 1 year old. My brother was 1 week. Then since then she left, but she's still alive.
O kwatetse mang hantle ntlo, kwatetse mama o kwatetse bo auntie ba hao?
Aunt.
Because aba o believer hentwene ye tsagala o Salomonyane.
Especially the eldest, they've never bangithathe serious. Because I remember one day there was a funeral at home. My 14-year-old child was kidnapped. Same day we were burying my sister. She was kidnapped, and then the person that kidnapped her, he took her to the gravesite where my sister was buried, and then he raped her there. But at home, no one took that serious. I was crying alone, even to go to court and everything. No one was with me. I was all alone. Instead, babe ngihleka.
This cycle ya rape e tlo tswela pele he sa robege. Go batlega kereke ya deliverance e kgaole moya o operator mo wena gore batho ba o use. Now ntwe ke ikopa mo go wena he badimo ba re boella hae e tlo ba botlhoko for you gore o yetse. But ho fetsa o deliveriwa o ile kerekeng o thotse deliverance ministry o rapelletswe ntwene operatiwa mo wena like a remote control tlabe e didimetse. And so go yeng hae ha o go no hata mabala fela e tlo ba ile boima for wena, but go hata mabala tsatsi lo hata mabala mo spiriting tlabe o lwele and you'll be a victor of the big fight ka baka la gore you've never had a chance ya go phela. Koko o file lerato ka mokgona ka kgona ho fa lona. Ene a re mo ke le moteng mo ke rapelisana le wena mara o ska ngala dilo tsena kaofela, o ska ngala modimo, o ska ngala everything, because o tlo kolomaka mo sefatlhegong wa thoma wa shaina ka mokgo ba tlo shainang. Koko ha wa o rata ke ena mo ke bona o kare ke lona le close ke yona a perfect guide and an angel for wena. Ne ena go latla mara o khole le hae
kunzima. Even now ngihleli la asinayo nendawo yohlala nabantu. Mavela abantu nje espaceni bangilwisa bayangilwisa abantu angazi. Lapha bengihlala khona bangikhiphile ngoba bathi ngingumXhosa. Ngibuza ukuthi ngingumXhosa wakuphi. Then bangikhiphela ngaphandle. Then umntana my last born una 8 wabe se uyasha wonke, but still umntana ushile. Abazange babe nozwelo.
Ushiswe yini umntana?
Uavele washiswa ngamanzi. Kwabe sekuvela ithambo la.
Ntho batho ba o khesetseng ka yona e batla letsola modimo mama, because letlozi la hao ke le one se le kgathetse nyaka motho o bea matso a o rapelle a tsentse moya wa modimo ka mahara ha bophelo ba hao, a khalimele batho ba botle ba ba ikentseng modimo ka hara bophelo ba hao, because wena o bona ile problem ya bana mara ke problem ya hao. ya motho o tsamaya a nyala motho mo ka mo hae ba sa approve ebile ba sa batle. And until it repeated in a horrible way, e utlwisang wena botlhoko. O tlo loka mama. When I start to say him, Emisa me boy and the Tomato, Emisa and the Tomato to work with him. William so high job. William so high job. Mofedi knows a how more. Mofed a how. Look, ma'am. Look.
Into yokubana ndive ukubana kukho into endihamba nayo indiphatha kabuhlungu ngoba andiqala ukuyiva. So ke sendiyazibona i-results zayo ngoku sendimdala. Abantu baye bandibize ngamagama last year December apho bendiphuma khona kwaye kwathiwa ikhala yam yobuso it's not normal. Soze kubekho umuntu ongathakathiyo nale khala lo uyathakatha. So ndaphela ndixoshela ikhala yeskin. Uthe uncedo nza kuyo yonke lengxaki endinayo. Uncedo nzalifumana ecaweni. Iye yanivuyisa ke lonto leyo vele ngoba ndingumuntu okhulele ecaweni. Umakhulu wami wayebelieve ngomthandazo zonke into sizenzile ekhaya besisenza based on umthandazo. So iyona nto iye yandivuyisa kakhulu leyo into intobana uthi mandiye ecaweni.
Vuyokazi ke motho ile hore mo a tswang hona hona le moya wa boloi. Mara hona le ntwe ke bone hore e mo dirahaletse e sa le ngwana o monnyane. Ntwe ile hore o ile a tlhekefetswa. Mara ha a se motho ile hore o ready hore a bolele ka yona hoba a intshe mo bophelong ba hae. Yale ntwe e hore a ska bolela ka yona self ya itshwela e tswa ka mokgwa wa ile hore e create what we call a generational curse. Mara diloje di a tlhakana hore o tshwanetse a dilele e mo dirahelletseng yena ile ngwana hore moleko o hoba this generational pattern e khaolehe mo bophelong ba hae. Ntho ya botlhokwa mo tshwantse re ithuta yona ke hore he mosadi a tswala bana a ba shia sa tsebore o ba shia le bomang yena no nagana hore bana ba tla fepiwa bana ba